Welcome to the channel. You know how managing multiple wallets can feel like a chore? One for NFTs, one for tokens, one just for Bitcoin? I found one app that does it cleanly and simply. Today, we're going to take a look, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's jump in. All right, everyone, today we are taking a look at Phantom. Now, what is this? This is a Web3 wallet, much like MetaMask. I want you to know about what it is, how it works. Meet Phantom. You probably have seen this maybe in Instagram stories. Maybe you've seen people using it, but it's very, very easy to get started. So we're going to jump in, but always do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. All right. So first, we click on download. We can do it for desktop. We do Chrome, Firefox, Edge. You can also do it on your phone. I do it with both. You do it iOS or Android. So that's how we do it. It's pretty simple. If you do it for Chrome, you just click on Chrome. This is just an example. You can do it for any browser you want. And it's here from Chrome, so we can see that it's in Chrome. Now, what you'll need to do, username, password, security phrase, keep that safe. Don't put that anywhere. I'll write it down on a piece of paper. Yes, a piece of paper. After you got that, we can check out the Phantom wallet.
Feel like you make amazing content, but it's buried in the YouTube algorithm? You want to rank to the top fast. You want to dominate your niche. Let me introduce you YTRanker and show you how it's done. First, we'll open up an incognito window so we can keep our browsing history fresh. So we'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for some terms here. Let's try proxy for you. We can see I'm at the top. And then proxy for you tutorial. Here it is. My video is right at the top, and that's because of the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit YTRanker.net, where visibility meets real results. Let's get back to the video.
So here's a demonstration of the Phantom app, just like any app. This is particularly focused on Sol. You'll notice you can send, receive, and swap, but you can do all your functions with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all that type of stuff. And here you can see how you can toggle it. It has a whole ecosystem with trending tokens. You can also find your balances, NFTs, transactions. As we can see here, you can see we have multiple different accounts. You can search for the tokens, trending tokens, just like we saw here. Also, you have your cryptos here. We can do swapping the pair. If you're familiar with that, recent activity will be shown here. And you can see what's going on. You can also see the Phantom terminal for desktop trading. And this will actually pull up trading here. So you can go ahead and trade if you want. And you can pick what you want here. Solana, 1, 2, and 3. It's pretty simple. And then all the trades pop up. You see a lot of people trading with Phantom Wallet. That's how they do it. You can also see what's new here and take part. So what makes Phantom different from a lot of wallets? You say, well, there's other wallets that do Web3 functions, and I would say yes. But Phantom is a self-custodial multi-chain wallet for Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, as we can see here. It's built for traders, people who collect NFTs, and yes, NFTs are still a thing. DeFi users who want simplicity without giving up control, and you can also, as we see, do token swaps here. So you can pick the tokens you want, what you want to swap in. You just pick the pair. So I can go ahead and search what I want to have swap the pair in and do that here if I want the swap. And we have the different things you can swap here. You can see dog with hat. So I can do the swap. So I can swap tokens, do NFT transfers. You don't need extra tools. This is your one-stop shop. Also, just to note, with gas fees, I know you're going to ask about that. What's the fees? Because you want to trade with high fees. The gas fee and transparency give quick transaction confirmations, as we can see here. Plus, transactions preview shows you exactly what you're signing before you approve it. And you can connect it to Ledger, cold storage, security. You simply go ahead and plug that in, and then you can go ahead and prompt it for a connect. And its DApp browser makes exploring DeFi really, really safe and easy to do. So you can take a look at tokens right here, but you can also look at lists, sites. You can learn right here. So I can see all the sites here. Monad, the new token. And there's mobile and desktop versions. So if you want, you can sync instantly. It's never out of your funds. So like I said, if you're tired of juggling wallets around, playing with different wallets, try Phantom.app yourself today. It's clean, it's fast, it gives you full control over all of your crypto in one place.